The chassis changes, the ergonomics are different, the engine is redesigned. The motorcycle par excellence for tackling the desert changes completely. The 2025 version will be available in just 100 units. After many years of honorable service, the previous version of the Rally Replica is being retired in favor of a new bike that incorporates the technical updates of the official ones that raced in the latest editions of the Dakar and World Rally Championships. First of all, the new frame, no longer trellis, but also ergonomics, engine, and all the rest of the chassis. We are faced with a totalitarian update, which turns the page on the most desired motorcycle to face the great challenges in the desert. Hand-assembled in just 100 examples, it will be available for pre-order starting from April 24, 2024. Going into detail, the engine is inspired by the 450 mounted on the best KTM enduro and motocross bikes, featuring a newly designed SOAK single-shaft distribution system, a reinforced clutch, and an even more solid gearbox. The KTM 450 Rally Replica is a concentration of high-end components designed to provide unparalleled power and reliability. The cooling system has also been renewed, created with 2 separate radiators instead of the single unit that equipped the previous model to the full advantage of engine efficiency. The frame is also new, as we said, with the structure being deeply updated with a steel structure welded by hand in the KTM Motorsport production plant, assembled starting from hydroformed and laser-cut sections. Compared to the previous model, it stands out for its specifically calculated torsional and longitudinal flexibility parameters. Added to these features is the new hollow die-cast aluminum swing arm, designed to offer optimal rigidity and resistance, with the lowest possible weight. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is equipped with 3 tanks equipped with 2 separate fuel pumps, which can be operated independently to allow delivery from the 9 and 9.5-liter front tanks or from the self-supporting 16-liter rear one, which it also acts as a frame. The overall capacity thus reaches approximately 34.5 liters, ideal for mastering the longest stages. In the suspension department, the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is equipped with the best WP Pro components package available on the market today. The fork is a 48mm WP. The upper one is also equipped with a progressive absorption system of handlebar stress developed internally by the team and completed with a Scott's steering damper. At the rear we find the WP achieving several stage victories. From an aesthetic point of view, the new KTM 450 Rally Replica 2025 now has a more aggressive and sharper profile. The navigation tower, developed specifically for this model and made of extra-light carbon fiber, is mounted behind a fairing which offers significantly greater aerodynamic protection than the previous version. This means that riders feel less turbulence and wind in the seated riding position. The fairing also protects the new, lighter and narrower instrument panel, which features integrated warning lights and mounting brackets for a digital roadbook system. The new LED headlight system is incorporated into the headlight mask and increases the overall light released by 33%. A fundamental help in the stages that start at dawn or when you arrive at the bivouac late at night. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica also features a unique and well-designed space integrated into the engine cover for storing emergency tools. This allows riders to quickly access keys and frees up additional space and weight from the rider's body. As mentioned, the KTM 450 Rally Replica 2025 is produced and assembled in just 100 units in the KTM Motorsport facility in Austria and will be available to order from the official dealer network starting from 24 April 2024.